Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is expected to have a contemporary and practical external design, since Honda is renowned for producing creative automobiles. It is probable that Honda will integrate contemporary design features from its passenger vehicles into the 2026 Motorhome. Since it's a campervan, the outside design will focus entirely on practicality. Large windows for natural light, wide sliding doors, and conveniently located outside storage space are a few examples of this. This might feature streamlined body lines, a unique front grille, and LED lighting. There may be extra features like side awnings for weather protection, a roof rack for hauling extra equipment, and a pop-up top for more sleeping space. The use of solar panels, which are helpful for boosting electrical power, on the roof. The internal arrangement is flexible and may be altered as needed, making the most of available space. A multipurpose space may be created by transforming the seating area into a bed. Ambient LED lighting with color customization makes the space seem cozy and opulent. The vehicle's system control center, which includes temperature control, entertainment, and navigation, is a 15-inch touchscreen. High-end sound system and entertainment screen for the bedroom. Smartphone integration and Bluetooth connection. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera. There are charging stations everywhere, with capabilities including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, and collision mitigation braking. Honda Sensing 360 is a cutting-edge driver assistance system. Use voice commands, the Honda AI Assistant, or a smartphone app to operate every function in the RV. Wi-Fi hotspot to maintain connectivity while traveling. The kitchen has a full-size refrigerator, convection microwave, induction cooktop, and smart storage system. Quartz, which is resistant to scratches, is used to make the countertops. Twin or queen-size beds with temperature control and memory foam mattresses are available. The sleeping space is made to be as comfortable and private as possible. The bathroom features a rain shower and a wet bath design. Contemporary amenities and effective utilization of available space. Automated air conditioning system with many zones. Soundproofing and temperature control are achieved by wall insulation. There will probably be an electric or hybrid engine option available for the 2026 Honda Motorhome. Additionally, Honda is creating electric vehicle technology that may be used in vehicles similar to motorhomes.